Yes, so if you're looking to have a Coinbase account, I'm going to take you through how to get your account set up today. I am CryptoRaz and this is what I do. So let's get straight into it. So actually, Coinbase is one of the pioneers in the crypto space, dating all the way back in 2012. And as far as I remember, they are very strict and thorough, and they are very diplomatic when it comes to business and its customers. And so, yeah, signing up a Coinbase account. So, in this case, when you want to sign up, when you click on the sign in, actually, you have the sign up appear to you, and then you fill in the necessary information required. So after you fill in the necessary information required, you have to certify that you are 18 years old or older to agree to their user agreement and privacy policy. And then you proceed to create your account. So the first thing you have to do after proceeding to create your account is to confirm your mail. The mail verification is a requirement for creating a Coinbase account. So right away, I go straight to my mail to confirm my Gmail. Yeah, so in my mail, I click on verify email address, and it's going to take me straight to a page where I'll have to also add my telephone number. Actually, Coinbase works in some countries and do not work in other countries. So, if you happen to be in the countries that Coinbase works, you have to put in your telephone number as part of the information required in setting up your Coinbase account. So, straight ahead, I continue to verify my phone number, and then they are going to send me a code which I'm going to use to verify if actually the telephone number is mine. Yeah. So I put in the code, and then it is taking me straight to my wallet, and I'll skip for now. So this is how your Coinbase account looks like. And now I'm going to take you through setting up the security, and then I'll show you some few features. There are enormous features in actually this wallet, but I'm going to teach you only the most important ones that you will be needing every day. So when you open your Coinbase account, the first thing you will notice is that you actually have Bitcoin quoted in your local currency. So you already have that here, and then when you open the asset, you have information and everything about it quoted in your local currency, market capitalization, 24 hours volume, circulating supply, trading activity, all done in your local currency. And so if you want to see blogs and news about Bitcoin, you just open the asset, and then each news and everything related to that asset will be given to you all your Coinbase account, all in your Coinbase account. Yeah. Now let's get into the security features. First of all, this is setting up your profile is part of a verification process that actually allows you to trade. It's a first step. But then, if you are not looking to trade but only send and receive cryptocurrency, you can skip this part. So heading straight to the preferences, you realize that you have assets, prices, and its value quoted in your local currency. And so if you happen to be in the country that support Coinbase, you can actually switch it to any different currency that you like, and then a list is there for you to choose what you like. And then you can set your notification here as to when Coinbase should notify you of an activity actually happening in your wallet. And so you can put some of it off or on based on what you need as an account owner. Now, when you get to the security tool, you realize that your phone number is a requirement for your basic two-step authentication. So once you put in your mobile money, it is your basic two-step authentication that whenever you're logging into your account, you have to pass through the authentication before you get access to your funds. And then you have options there where you can download any authenticator like the Google Authenticator to secure your account and deactivate your mobile phone number. But then if you're logging in, you will still be required to go through the telephone number verification process before you get access to your account. And then you have the security aspect of sending and receiving funds. So any amount that you want to send, if you want to send funds from your account, there is a verification process that you can set up for it. If you want to send funds from the account, you have to verify that it is actually you, and then the options are there. And if you do not want it, you can actually put it off so that when you're sending funds, it will be hassle-free. You send it right away. Now, running down to the activity, you realize also that Coinbase actually records every activity, your IP, and then your browser, blah blah blah, every your internet details, everything about your login, and then they keep those records so that whenever you log in, you can come and check if any suspicious activity happens in your account. You can quickly notify them so that you'll be very well aware of everything that happens in your account. Coming down to the account limit, you realize that putting in your name, your email address, and agreeing to the terms of services actually enables you to receive and send cryptocurrency on your Coinbase account. But then your level 2 verification, you have to verify your personal information, and then a proof of identity where they require a passport or a driving license. And then when this verification goes through, you are actually enabled to trade cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. In that sense, you will be able to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum to Monaco, and vice versa. So the level 2 verification is actually there for people who want to trade. But then if you're only looking to send and receive cryptocurrencies, the level 1 is enough to take care of you in that aspect. Now, one of the interesting features I like about Coinbase is the crypto addresses aspect. Whenever you generate an address on Coinbase, Coinbase is able to keep that same address for you all the time, so that whenever you want to receive funds, you can actually come back, copy your old address to use it to receive funds. So whenever you generate a new address, Coinbase is able to keep it for you in this aspect, so that whenever you come, there is a date that you generated the address, and you have all your old address listed. And so you can choose to pick the address that you want to use to actually receive your funds. Now, going to how to send and receive funds on Coinbase should be the last thing that I want to talk about. When you click on the send button, you realize that because you have assets listed in your local currency, you'll be able to send crypto assets in your local currency, equivalent to your local currency to anyone. And then in the sending process, what Coinbase require is email address or the person's crypto asset address. So in that sense, this is only for Coinbase to Coinbase. So when you have someone's Coinbase account, you can actually put in their mail in the address section to be able to send funds to them. And so be mindful, it's not all the wallets that support this, but Coinbase is able to support it. You can use a person's mail to send them assets. crypto assets, and then you can use their cryptocurrency address to send them, and you can add a memo like a note to identify a transaction, and then you can switch from Bitcoin to any cryptocurrency that supports Coinbase, like ZRS, like Band Protocol, BAT, Basic Attention Token, Bitcoin Cash, etc. So on the receiving aspect, because this is the first time I am receiving funds, I'll have to generate the address for the first time. And so this is your address in case you want to receive funds. This is what you send to whoever is sending you funds to be able to receive the funds. And once you copy, you send it to the person. Be very discreet and make sure that the address is correct. Always double check to make sure that you're not making any mistake, because when a person sends crypto assets to a wrong address, sometimes it's not able to go through, but sometimes when you send it to the wrong address, you lose your funds forever. And so you should be mindful copying the address and making sure that you are sending the exact thing to the person sending you the crypto asset. And then on this side, by default, it is actually Bitcoin there, but when you click on it, you can have all the other crypto assets, Ethereum Classic, Kyber Network, Litecoin, all the other coins there that you can receive. Once you select any other coin, you realize that you'll be able to generate its address, and then you'll be able to receive funds. Yeah, that is that for the receiving funds. And also you can keep track of your portfolio here, and then all your crypto assets, you can keep track of your portfolio here and everything that is going on, whether there is a rise or fall in your holdings. Coinbase gives you this portal to keep track of all your portfolio, and I think that is what you need setting up your Coinbase account. And I hope this content is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, comment below what you think, any suggestions on what we should be bringing more up next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.